Texas is the only place on Earth that can blend the Old West, barbecue, football, oil and space exploration into one unique culture. However, as quirky and fun a place as it seems, there are definitely some things you should avoid doing whilst visiting. Know before you go! Number 1. Don't expect chicken fried steak to actually be chicken. Chicken fried steak refers to the cooking method, not the meat. It is steak fried using the same technique as fried chicken, ergo, chicken fried steak. Interestingly enough, Spain has a similar dish that's called Cachopo. Number 2. Don't put ketchup on your burger. There aren't many strict guidelines when it comes to burgers, but there is one hard and fast rule. Ketchup is only for French fries. Mayo and mustard, however, are acceptable condiments for burgers. This is according to Barry Popik, who compiled a list of terms like Yankee Burger, which refers to a burger topped with ketchup. Number 3. Don't forget to go large. If you're traveling through a state that's as large as the 39th biggest country in the world, you're going to need to take a break at some point. The Buc-ee's convenience store in New Braunfels is the largest in the world, with a massive 66,335 square feet of space. As an added bonus, it also has the longest car wash in the world, so you can give your vehicle a thorough cleaning whilst you pick up some snacks. Of course, Texas is also home to the world's largest belt buckle and the largest cowboy boot. Number 4. Don't confuse Coke with Coca-Cola. It doesn't matter if it's a Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, some fancy schmancy soda you bought from Central Market, or a can of Grape Crush. It's all just a Coke to a Texan. So if someone offers you a Coke down in Texas, the correct response is, sure thing, what kind of Coke do you have on hand? And not, nah, I think I'll pass on a Coke and go for a Diet Sprite instead. Just take a look at this map of the different names people use for soft drinks by county and you'll see what I mean. Number 5. Don't forget to hire a car. Texas is absolutely massive! If you're trying to get from one city to another, it can take a while. We're talking hours. And unfortunately, if you're outside of a larger city, you're not going to have many public transportation options. You'll have to drive or fly. But if you do take a road trip through Texas, make sure to keep an eye on other drivers and try to avoid rush hour if you can. Number 6. Don't stroke an armadillo. Armadillos are cute little creatures that are known for their hard shells and their habit of rooting around for food. However, about 20% of them carry leprosy. It's believed that armadillos acquired the bacteria that causes leprosy from humans after Christopher Columbus arrived in the Americas, and they can transmit it to humans who come into contact with them. In fact, armadillos are responsible for about 33% of leprosy cases in the United States each year, with most of those cases occurring in Texas and Louisiana. So while they might be cute to look at, it's best to avoid touching armadillos. Number 7. Don't avoid the barbecue. Nobody likes waiting in line, but when it comes to barbecue joints, it's a good sign if there's a crowd waiting outside. In the larger cities, you might even have to wait up to 2 hours to get a table at the really popular places, but trust us, it's worth it. If there's no queue, it's usually for a good reason. Number 8. Don't mess with Texas. This phrase is often used to show pride in the state, and it's not meant to be taken literally. However, it's a good idea to respect the state and its residents. Don't point if you see someone dressed as a cowboy or mock someone's boots. Remember, Texas is also an open carry state. Now you know what not to do. We hope you enjoy your stay in the cowboy capital of the world.